Recently, I made a mistake that almost turned my kids away from woodworking, and I don't want you to do the same. So stay tuned to find out what I did and how you can avoid it. So hey there, welcome to Hand Tool Homeschool, where we are bringing dads and kids together one woodworking project at a time. And what I want to tell you is that I've been making a mistake. I've been turning my kids away from woodworking because I've been making it way too hard. I had this vision that it was going to be awesome teaching my kids all this hand tool stuff because hand tools aren't power tools. They're more safe. I'm interested in hand tools big time. It's quieter, it's less dust, all these reasons, safer for kids. And so, yeah, we'll do this thing together. That's what I thought. But hand tools take a lot of patience. They take skills that kids don't have, fine motor skills, strength in some cases. Kids just don't have these things. We need to simplify it down. So I've been making that big mistake, and luckily I recognized it before I turned my kids away. One of my daughters was really interested in hand tool woodworking with me, but I took way too long. I didn't keep her engaged, and she almost got to the point where she didn't want to do it. But thankfully, I recovered, made things simpler, and did some fun projects, and she's back on board. So don't make the same mistake that I did by making things too difficult. So number one, make things simple. Number two, I wanted to tell you on this channel, moving forward, I'm going to make videos shorter. I'm going to do videos of the kids and I making projects, but they're going to be much shorter. And also, I'm going to make videos for the dads where we can work on other skills that are more advanced, like joinery, tool restoration, and more advanced projects in general. And that way we can grow our skills, so as our kids grow we can teach them too. So there's going to be something for both dads and kids. And it's just a time thing. I mean, a lot of times, there's times we want to work with our kids and we need to take 30 minutes and do that. But other times, maybe we need a little quiet time. We've been at the office all day or whatever we've been doing, and we need a break. And hand tool woodworking is awesome therapy. So I want to have something for both dads and kids. That's the point of this channel. And then we bring them together, intersect our interests, and we have a really good time, and we create awesome memories with each other. Because I'll tell you, I'm not really a big fan of sitting around watching TV with my kids or playing electronics, on the iPads and things like that. It just doesn't interest me. If you're interested in that, that's fine. But here at my house, what we're trying to do is keep our kids engaged and really bring out their creativity, and woodworking can do just that. So moving forward, that's some of the things that you can expect, but I just wanted to caution you, if you're going down the hand tool route and you want to work with your kids, don't make it too difficult on them by making things way harder than they need to be. Just keep them simple. All right, so with that said, please stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be working with the coping saw. I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, maybe share it with others if you like this video. And until next time, always remember life's most important order: love God, love each other, and woodwork. We'll see you next time.